Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If the USB Selective Suspend setting is missing from advanced power options on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video I will show you how to restore the missing USB Selective Suspend setting in both Windows 11 and Windows 10 using a simple registry editor tweak. USB Selective Suspend is a power saving feature that allows Windows to suspend individual USB ports when they are not being used. However, sometimes the USB selective suspend option may not appear under advanced power options. So let's see how to bring it back. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Here type Regedit and then click on the OK button. If user account control appears, click Yes to open the Registry Editor. Now copy the path from the video description and paste it into the address bar at the top of the Registry Editor. I will put this one path in this one video description, so don't worry. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Once you reach to the location, look at the right side and find a DWORD value named Attributes. Double click Attributes and here set value data to 2. After that, click OK to save the changes. Now close the registry editor and restart your computer. After restarting Windows, open Control Panel. Ensure View by is set to category. Then click on Hardware and Sound. Then click Power Options. Next, click Change Plan Settings beside the Power Plan. Now click the Change Advanced Power Settings. Under Power Options, expand the USB settings. Now you will find USB Selective Suspend Settings. Expand it to see more options. Now you can choose enabled or disabled according to your requirements. That's it. You have successfully restored the missing USB Selective Suspend setting in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And remember, USB Selective Suspend is designed to save power, so you generally don't need to disable it unless you are troubleshooting a USB related problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to GearUpWindows and press the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.